we know that isoformage means identical sets. In option A, you see Z plus, that is set of integers, and R plus, set of real numbers. You know Z plus, the set of integer, is countable, but the set of real numbers is not countable. So A is wrong. Now B. In B, you see Z plus, and here you see Q plus. You must note that Z plus is a subgroup of Q plus, and you also observe that these two are automorphic according to this relation. Automorphism is a type of isomorphism. So this group is isomorphic to this group, that is subgroup of this Q plus. So at the same time, the same group cannot be isomorphic to this group because it is isomorphic to subgroup of this group. So B is wrong. Now C. In C, Q by Z. Q by Z means Z and 3 by 4 plus Z. You can take any rational number plus Z. Then this will be the member of Q by Z. And similarly, Q by 2Z means this set 2Z and take any rational number plus 2Z, any rational number 5 by 11 suppose plus 2Z, and so on. And keep in mind this relation fx equals to 2x. You must note that this is a group because Z is normal subgroup of Q. Also this is a group. There are two groups, these two groups, and according to this relation we have to show that these two are isomorphic. For example, fx equals to 2x. So take another element in this. Suppose that is y, so this will be 2y. And equating fx equals to fy, we have x equals to y. That is, this is 1 1 1 1. Now we are going to prove onto. For onto, here x becomes fx by 2. This means that fx means in this group. If you fx by 2 means if you divide this by 2, then you will get rational number plus z. This means that this group, you are getting this group. This means that fx equals to 2x is onto. So you got 1 1 and onto. So option C is correct because Q by Z is isomorphic to Q by 2Z as I have shown here. Now the last one. In the last one you see Q by Z plus and Q. So Q by Z is already here. You see this is Q by Z. And if you take Q, we have to compare Q by Z and Q. You know Q is 0, any rational number 3 by 4, 5 by 11, dot dot dot, and also you may take in minus. We have to show that these two are isomorphic or not. Suppose you take 3 by 4 plus Z. And here you see 3 by 4, and in it there at some place you will see that there is also 7 by 4. There may be, so because 7 by 4 is also an element of Q. if you take 3 by 4, 7 by 4, you see 3 by 4 and 7 by 4. Obviously, these two are different rational numbers, 3 by 4 and 7 by 4. But if you find 3 by 4, if you find 3 by, here I am writing 3 by 4, 3 by 4 plus z, then you will see that 3 by 4 plus z is equals to 7 by 4 plus z. So finally we see that 3 by 4 and 7 by 4 are different rational numbers, but here 3 by 4 plus z and 7 by 4 plus z both are the same. So here in this two elements, two different looking elements are same, but here 3 by 4 and 7 by 4 are different. So q by z cannot be isomorphic to q plus, so this is wrong. So our correct option is C. Whenever you find C as a correct option, there was no need to go for D, because this is a waste of time, as in such type of question only one option is correct. But for the learning purpose, I have shown that in D the statement is incorrect.